When it comes to making a great first impression, your home's curb appeal plays a significant role. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enhance its appearance, upgrading your windows can have a transformative effect. For Clearwater homeowners, new windows not only add beauty but also improve energy efficiency, security, and overall value. Here's how installing stylish and modern windows can elevate your home's curb appeal and make it stand out in your neighborhood. A fresh, modern appearance. Old, worn-out windows can make even the most beautiful home look outdated. Over time, windows can fade, crack, or warp, detracting from your property's overall aesthetic. Upgrading to new windows instantly refreshes your home's exterior, giving it a polished and modern look. Windows come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose options that complement your home's architectural style. Whether you prefer classic double-hung windows, sleek casement windows, or elegant bay windows, the right choice can dramatically enhance your home's visual appeal. Enhanced architectural style. The style of your windows plays a key role in defining your home's personality. For Clearwater homeowners, selecting windows that match or accentuate the home's architectural design can make all the difference. For example, colonial and traditional homes look stunning with double-hung or grid-patterned windows. Modern homes benefit from clean lines and large picture windows that maximize natural light. Coastal homes in Clearwater shine with impact-resistant windows that combine style and function. Upgrading your windows allows you to highlight your home's unique charm and give it the curb appeal it deserves. More natural light windows that allow ample natural light into your home not only make the interior feel warm and inviting but also enhance the exterior appearance. Large windows, like picture or bay windows, create a stunning focal point that draws the eye and gives your home a brighter, more open feel. For Clearwater homeowners, abundant natural light also creates a welcoming atmosphere that complements the area's sunny and coastal vibe. With new windows, you can strike the perfect balance between beauty and function. Beautiful frame and glass options. New windows offer an array of customizable options, allowing you to choose frames and glass that suit your style and boost your curb appeal. Popular frame materials include vinyl, durable, affordable, and available in various colors. Fiberglass, strong, sleek, and ideal for modern homes. Wood, a timeless choice that adds elegance and warmth. Decorative glass options, such as grids, frosted designs, or tinted glass, can further enhance the window's aesthetic and give your home a distinct look. These design elements allow you to personalize your home's appearance while maintaining its elegance. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Curb appeal isn't just about appearances, it's also about functionality. Energy-efficient windows not only look great but also help regulate your home's temperature, keeping it comfortable year-round. Windows with low E coatings, double or triple panes, and insulated frames reduce heat transfer, which is especially valuable in Clearwater's warm and sunny climate. When prospective buyers or visitors see stylish, modern windows, they also recognize the practical benefits of energy savings and increased home comfort, a feature that adds value to your home. Better exterior maintenance. Old windows often require frequent maintenance, such as repainting and repairing damaged frames. New, modern windows are designed to be low maintenance and long-lasting. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, rotting, and fading, even in Clearwater's humid and salty coastal environment. With minimal upkeep, your windows will continue to look fresh and beautiful for years to come, maintaining your home's curb appeal effortlessly. Increased home value. New windows are a smart investment that not only improves your home's curb appeal but also increases its overall value. Homebuyers in Clearwater are drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient, and stylish windows. Installing high-quality windows gives your property a competitive edge, making it more attractive in the real estate market. Even if you're not planning to sell your home, the added value from new windows makes them a worthwhile upgrade. Stylish impact-resistant windows. In Clearwater, where storms and hurricanes are a seasonal concern, impact-resistant windows are a practical and stylish solution. These windows are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions while enhancing your home's beauty and curb appeal. With reinforced glass and elegant frame options, you don't have to sacrifice style for safety. Impact-resistant windows not only provide protection but also give your home a polished, high-end look that stands out in the neighborhood. Elevate your home's look with Windows of Clearwater. Replacing your windows is one of the most impactful ways to improve your home's curb appeal. From fresh, modern designs to energy-efficient and impact-resistant options, new windows add style, value, and functionality to your home. Whether you're aiming for a timeless look or a bold statement, the right windows can transform your Clearwater property into a showstopper. If you're ready to boost your home's curb appeal, consult with a professional window installation service in Clearwater. They can help you choose the perfect windows to match your style and enhance your home's beauty for years to come.